Okay, some of the things I've changed and repaired after our trip to the Black Hills. I had the top of the covers here were flaking off, so I removed them and re-powder coated them, and they turned out actually better this time. Used a little different powder coat. It's got a little more texture to it, and that looked really good. I had 3 different rips in the seat, and rather than buy a used $400 seat, I did this. This is just coat lining. It's kind of shaggy, but it's really comfortable. I just did the front part because that was ripped, folded around the bottoms here, and I used double stick tape, and that's it. And I thought, well, it looks kind of maybe a little hokey. I don't know what people think. It's kind of fun to pet it though. It purrs when you pet it, and that's something. But anyway, it makes it a little more comfortable, and it looks okay. And I saved $400. I paid $9 for that piece of fur there, so that fixed that issue. I had one tail light. This one right here, LED, came apart. Didn't really affect too much, but I replaced it. These two now end up kind of an amber red. I replaced both of them just to make them uniform. And my rear brake had always been a squealer, so I decided today I would replace the pads. And I just did, and here they are. They aren't that bad. There's still some life to them, but those are going in the dumpster. And it squealed a lot. Changing these, honest to gosh, takes less than 5 minutes. You stick a bar in here between the muffler and the caliper and give her a push, and you can collapse those pistons right in. Then using this guy, you pull out that pin, both of the pads slide out, you slide 2 new ones in, put the pin back in, you're done. You want to be real careful you don't over tighten that thing though, because if you wreck it, the next time around you're going to have trouble. But anyway, I probably will never change the rear pads in here again, because I don't use the rear brakes that much. But that whole procedure took exactly 5 minutes. And she's a done deal. So, pretty good day here, or morning. But anyway, that bike, got that, she's right back to what I consider showroom. And it is my own personal bike, and this is the one I use for people who want to test drive and stuff, so I want to make sure it's, in decent shape and all that. So that's going home right now, and I'm going to wash it real good. So I got a few things to do. The bike I bought on the way back from Black Hills. Got this out of Sioux Falls. It's a 2004, it's got 82,000 some miles on it. For a Goldwing, that's nothing, it runs great. It actually, I like it better than my 2008. I like these older bikes better. From 5 on down, to me, are the nicer bikes. That's just my opinion. I like the dash layout. I like the simplicity. I don't really like the screen on mine. It takes forever to boot up. I never use the navigation. It's just a pain. To me, these are more of a motorcycle. I don't know. I just like them. But anyway, great shape, runs great. This is my Centennial bike. This is number 100. I'm going to take the Honda badge off the front here and replace it with the number 100. Maybe I'll have Centennial on there, I'm not really sure. But this one will be for sale when I get it done. The only thing wrong with it is the top of the CD radio antenna is missing. which is kind of dumb because it doesn't have CV. So it really doesn't even need the antenna. I don't know why they put them on there, but my bikes, my own personal ones, I take the antennas off because I don't listen to the radio. I don't like noise when I'm riding a motorcycle. Any place else is fine, but not on the motorcycle. You know, again, that's just a quirk with me. But yeah, she'll be a good bike. This is going to be a nice run. It's a nice color. So this will be one of the first ones I do. Actually, I have 3 other ones to do, but this one I'm going to put in line as number 100. So that's what's going to happen here pretty soon when I get everything back into gear here. So yeah, I took it for a little spin, took around the country, got it up, went through all the gears, everything. I couldn't find a single blip anywhere. No cracks in the plastic, any defects at all. The only thing is it had Baker air wings on it one time, and I see there's holes in this trim piece for the air wings. I think I'm going to replace these trim pieces with new ones, and I'll probably include these with the when I sell the bike in case someone wants to put Bakers on it. All you do is slap these on, and it's going to have the holes. I don't especially like seeing the holes here. I don't know. It's okay, but I want to make it look nice. So anyway, that will be the project. It does have aftermarket front rotors on. They're kind of fancy schmancy. So I'll probably be selling those and, you know, some of the pieces. Yeah, be a good deal. Somebody's going to get a really good bike out of this.